Alright guys, this is a trade on volatility 10 index. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my reason for taking this trade, my analysis down to the 5-minute or the 15-minute time frame, down to the 5-minute time frame where I took the trade from. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get to the business of the day. Okay, so I'm going to be heading to the daily time frame now to show you guys my analysis from the daily. Alright, so as you all know, I like to do my analysis from the daily, all right, to get the market direction. All right, so right now I'm trading against the trend, all right, but I still know what I'm doing. So as you can see from the daily, you can see that the market is heading down, right? So we are going to put, let's head, so here on the 4 hours time frame, I'll be fending our trend line. All right, I'll be drawing another trend line here to matching the movement of trend towards the downside. So as you can see here on the 4 hours time frame, there is a trend line here. All right, this is a resistance here that price was moving with previously in the market. All right, so you can see the movement. Price broke above, all right, retest and made a movement to this area. All right, so there is a resistance here. There is a resistance here, right, at short price to the downside, right? So take note of that. And you can see that price you can see that price was heading down from this area. All right, so let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. So here on the, let me get rid of this, here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the level price is moving with. All right, so you can see our trend line here marking this level of resistance which price was previously moving with. All right, so now you can see that price broke above it. All right, it broke above it. So whenever price break above a trend line, it normally signifies that the trend has changed, right? So it's going to be heading towards the up direction. I knew this is going to make a short movement, all right, because you can see this is the 1 hour time frame, and normally price tends to respect the structures in the 1 hour time frame. All right, so I knew that this movement here, so price broke above this, came back for retest around this area. I knew that it was going to buy from this support area here. All right, so initially I marked this area, but when I stepped down to the 30-minute time frame, I saw that there is a level of interest here, so I initially took the buy here around this area. Let me mark it out. I'm going to step down to the 15-minute time frame, then I'll mark that area. All right, so here you can see that there's still another level of support here. So I just took a buy here. I opened two position, place a buy limit below here, because if price fails to respect this zone, then definitely it's going to respect this one. But unfortunately, as you can see, price bounced from this area, and you can see that it's heading towards the up direction now. All right, so I can like go down to the 5-minute time frame, put another trend line here again. You can see that this is all signifying that price is moving towards the upward direction right now on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. All right, so I'll be holding the trade till price gets to the TP level. All right, so this is just a short scalp on volatility 10 in the overall, but the overall trend of the market is a downtrend. All right, but this is just counter trending. So I'm just kind of doing a counter trade here. All right, I'm trading against the overall trend of the market. This is what we call counter trend trading. All right, so I just feel like I should just quickly share with you guys this. All right, so hopefully you are going to learn one or two from this quick analysis on volatility 10 index. Okay, so if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. For those of you who have not yet come for the powerful boom and crash strategy, it's a VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. If you are a beginner and you have been blowing your account, this strategy is strictly designed for boom and crash, and you can use it even if you are a beginner. Okay, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so again, for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, The link is in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.